Welcome everyone to this daily update on Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch this video with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience, and like and comment below your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. Let's go ahead and check what we were analyzing on gold.
Here I don't think this sells well. Let's see our lows, tweet about that. Let's see an closure below. I will give me a minute. I have a closure, so yeah.
I think this is what I was anticipating. Once we have a closure below this level on gold, we will continue to the downside, at least to this level. If we go to 1 hour time frame, we never got a closure below here. After we got this closure, we never break the lows to continue to the downside. However, I was anticipating, based on our candle here, our candle formation, as you saw before, I was anticipating a trade right over here with a stop loss above here and take profit around 1 to 1, which was here, and overall we went to 1 to 1.5, which was not very successful. I was initially waiting for a continuation to the downside, but that didn't happen. After this support, then we formed this resistance, we retested this low, we found the support on this previous resistance that I totally forgot to mark, this level here, which we just came, tapped, and then find support, and then came again inside this range, inside this big range here. So let's go and check how the weekly is looking. Weekly is looking still bearish. We have one more day, potentially we can close like this, maybe, we'll see tomorrow. Daily, however, we closed bullish, which is very good indication, but we didn't break the highs or the lows. Good indication meaning that forming support, finding support, breaking this high, and then coming to retest this high above here, which I'm gonna look for tomorrow. So I'm gonna put an alert here as soon as we break the highs, which will mean that on the 4 hour time frame we will break above here. We will aim for wick filling this, and that means that weekly we're gonna close bearish, week bearish, and then potentially next week run over all to the downside. But we need closure below this level, outside this range, for price to anticipate a move to the upside. But also we can just find resistance here and then play around this area. Let's go on GJ and check what we were analyzing on GJ.
If 1 hour gives us anything, no, even 1 hour it's very tricky. We have this resistance here, but then this wick fails. We have this big range. We have this main resistance here. Not so clean.
So on GJ I didn't have a clean plan happening. So as you can see, price was around this area when I made the video. Let's check how the daily closed. Daily closed bullish, breaking the previous daily lows, closed like weak bullish, but let's see if we can break the highs. We're now forming a wick, that's very nice, and if we can break the highs, then we can potentially come up to retest again this resistance. On the 4 hour we look very nice, we're looking very clean to the upside to continue. After, obviously now there's not a lot of volume, we have Tokyo session, but we need high volumes to come up and break these highs and tap these two levels. And yeah, let's go to 1 hour, check if we could have potentially taken any trade, not as, because we are inside this range. We said that we need closure above here. We had this closure, and then, but this was very late in the day, and then we break the highs, we move, we fill this wick, found resistance, and now we're just coming back down. So from this perspective, at the moment we can potentially take a trade to retest this level, come inside back the range, anticipating that the Tokyo session will move to the downside, but that's not 100% due to low volume, or we don't know how much volume we will have. Tomorrow we will have a lot of volume for gold, because NFP will come up, but as you can see we don't have any trade during the night for yen to move price, but technically from a technical perspective this makes sense a bit, because now we have this clean traffic, we made this fake out, close above the range, come back, close back inside the range, fill this wick, and now we can just continue and tap this level right over here, which will give us a very nice risk to reward trade, meaning that we can take the sell if we would have, for example, from here, then we have a 16 pip, 17 pip take profit, and then we have like a potential 30 to 35 pip take profit area. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching. Hope this video made something clear or found it useful for you, and I see you guys tomorrow.